What if I told you that I made 3 amazing hair products from just one herbal infusion? That's right. Today we're transforming one powerful blend into a nourishing oil, a whipped butter, and a rich pomade. 3 products, 1 infusion, and 0 waste. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3.
The first ingredient are carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamins A, C, E, and beta-carotene, which can help strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage, and improve blood circulation to the scalp. Next up is ginger. Although ginger does not directly trigger new hair growth, it helps create a healthier scalp environment. And by improving blood circulation and reducing inflammation, it helps support stronger, healthier hair and protect against from factors that may contribute to thinning and shedding. The next powerful ingredient I'm using is onion. Red onions are rich in sulfur, which helps support keratin and collagen production to strengthen the hair. It also helps improve scalp circulation and fight stress. Now I'm adding an avocado seed. Avocado seeds contain antioxidants, fatty acids, and beneficial plant compounds that help nourish the scalp and moisturize the hair to prevent breakage. I'll add in some garlic as well. Garlic helps support healthy hair by improving blood circulation to the scalp, strengthening the strands, and helping protect against microbial infections. Next up, I'm using some rosemary. Rosemary is one of the most popular herbs used for hair care, and research suggests that it may help support hair growth by improving circulation and reducing inflammation. I'm also including some star anise. Star anise is often used in natural hair care because it helps support scalp health and strengthen the hair. Now here I have my blender, and I will be putting all of the ingredients straight into it. Now that everything's in my blender, I'm now adding 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil. After that, go ahead and blend everything together. This is how everything looks like after blending. I'll now transfer the mixture into a pan. Now into this pan, I'm adding about a cup of coconut oil. Go ahead and mix everything together. After mixing, I'm now going to put the mixture on the stove and let it simmer on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Please make sure to stir continuously so none of the ingredients stick to the bottom of the pan. Gently heating all the ingredients allows the nutrients to infuse into the oil, creating a concentrated herbal mixture that can be used as part of a nourishing hair care routine. Once your mixture looks like this, go ahead and remove it from the stove and let it cool down. Here is our potent mixture after letting it cool. Now using a bowl and a pantyhose, I'm going to strain the mixture, making sure to squeeze out every last drop of this beautiful oil. all the leftover particles. And here is that powerful oil. It is made with powerful ingredients that help nourish the scalp and support healthier looking hair. This oil is wonderful for dryness, breakage, split ends, and any problem areas that you have for thinning. For the next step, I'm now going to be infusing some chamomile. Infusing chamomile into the hair oil creates a nourishing treatment that helps soothe the scalp now, reducing inflammation and conditioning the hair to minimize breakage even more. While that's infusing, I'm adding 2 capsules of vitamin E. Next up, I'm adding some peppermint oil. And finally, I'm adding a spoonful of castor oil. Now let's mix it up. This DIY blend helps to nourish the scalp, lock in moisture, and protect the hair from breakage. Combining all of these ingredients creates a powerful mixture that can be used to become a real game changer for your hair care routine. Now, using the pantyhose again, I'm going to be straining out all the leftover chamomile. I'm now going to be using a dropper bottle and a funnel to help me transfer the oil into this bottle. You can use any oil bottle of your choice. In addition, I want to add some beautiful rose petals inside. Adding a few rose petals gives the oil a beautiful appearance while allowing them to slowly infuse the natural goodness into this mixture. And with that, we are all done with that oil. Look at how beautiful it looks. I've added about 3 spoonfuls of shea butter into my pan and it's already melting. Now I'm adding about 1/4 cup of emulsifying wax. Once everything is completely melted, go ahead and add the potent hair oil we made earlier and mix everything together. Wow guys, look at that blend. Now we've created a rich treatment packed with all the beneficial ingredients. Here are my jars that I'm going to be using. I'm dividing the mixture. Some of the mixture will be going into this jar, which I'll put in the freezer, and it'll become a pomade. The rest of the mixture will be going in the freezer as well for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now this is the beautiful yellow pomade. My goodness, look at that vibrant color. It is smooth, rich, and packed with all the nourishing ingredients. This isn't just a styling product, it's also a concentrated treatment. And using it regularly delivers moisture and beneficial nutrients directly to your hair and scalp. It first locks in moisture to protect against dryness and breakage. It helps improve the appearance of split ends and maintain healthy looking hair. It also supports a healthy scalp and it encourages circulation. And together, all of these benefits create an environment that supports healthy hair growth. I've taken the butter bowl out of the freezer. We're going to use a hand mixer to turn this cooled mixture into a luxurious whipped butter. Let's get started. As I started mixing, I quickly realized that the bowl was too small for all of this goodness, so I transferred the mixture into a larger pan and continued mixing. After mixing for about 5 minutes, this is how the butter looks like. It is not to my liking, so I will continue to mix it. And now we're done with the whipped butter. This fluffy, creamy butter is absolutely beautiful, and it is packed with nourishing ingredients that is ready to pamper your hair. Here I have another clean jar that I'll be using to transfer the mixture into it. You can use any clean jar of your choice. With that, our fluffy butter is all done. It looks just like cake frosting, but it's pure goodness for your hair and scalp. These 3 products are exactly what you need for your hair. And I promise you, once you try it out, you won't regret it. I now want to say a special thank you to Ida McFarlane, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. Before we finish this video, I want to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. My first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And my second membership is called Dye Your Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level, plus exclusive member shoutouts. So if you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!